Everyone wants to see our skin young and live our day to day without pain. And if there is a protein that is synonymous with beauty and joint health, that is collagen. In this world where there are hundreds of different supplements of this molecule, achieving the increase of collagen naturally with diet and several specific habits is going to be much more effective to eliminate my wrinkles and reinforce my joints. And I am going to explain to you why it is a good idea to dispense with collagen supplements because of the economic expense they suppose, and because, as we are going to see, they are in the sights of the scientific community for their doubtful efficacy. Today I share with you how to increase your collagen naturally to rejuvenate from the inside and especially from the outside. Collagen is essentially the union of 3 amino acids, proline, glycine and hydroxyproline, and is the most abundant protein in your body, since 30% of the human body protein is collagen. The word collagen comes from the Greek term kolla, meaning glue. And collagen keeps cells together in tissues, which gives strength, elasticity, and structure to the skin, bones, tendons, cartilages, and ligaments. It is so prized because it is the anti-aging protein par excellence, since the more collagen, the younger I will look. This is so because as we age, the production of collagen in our body decreases, which leads to a loss of elasticity in the skin, and that is when the dreaded wrinkles that deteriorate our image are going to appear. Thus, increasing the levels of collagen in your body is going to be fundamental not only to have a more attractive face, but also to improve the health of your joints, bones, and blood vessels. But before I tell you how you can increase your collagen levels, you should know that there are different types in the body, with types 1, 2, and 3 being the most common, and each one of them is going to have a completely different function. Type I collagen is by far the most abundant and is found in the skin, tendons, and bones. Type 2 is predominant in cartilage, and type 3 is found in the walls of blood vessels. This protein is so vital for our beauty and health that the collagen supplement industry is one of the most billionaire in the field of well-being and cosmetics, and as you have surely already noticed, today we can find collagen even in the supermarket. But the question I must ask myself here is, do collagen supplements work to look younger and more attractive? First of all, you should know that when you take collagen supplements, you are not introducing collagen as such into the body. Collagen, as a protein that it is degraded with our digestion into amino acids. That is, what I take is the puzzle that separates into pieces inside my body. And once it is divided into pieces into amino acids, my body is not going to have it easy to reassemble them again into the collagen that my tissues need. This means that when you put a collagen supplement into the body, it does not perceive it as such, because it decomposes. And I need several factors to occur that I am going to tell you about so that my body can take advantage of it as collagen and can give me all the benefits I seek in beauty and health. And we have an infinity of types of collagen supplements, being the hydrolyzed the most widespread in the market. And most of these collagen supplements are of bovine origin, mainly from bones, skin and cartilage. But there is also vegan collagen, coming from Pichia pastoris, a yeast that has been genetically modified to make human type 1 collagen. And these substances work, yes, now. All these collagen supplements have a big but, and it is that they are effective because what I am doing is adding protein to my body, and consuming practically any type of protein is associated with improvements in skin and joints. The collagen industry knows this, and in clinical trials it is usually compared to taking collagen with taking placebo, that is, taking nothing. What we need, and is not done, is to compare a collagen supplement with a supplement of another protein, such as soy protein or pea protein, and it is very likely that the result in terms of skin elasticity and improvement in joints is similar with both proteins. Is it then throwing money away to take collagen supplements? Well, yes, it is going to suppose a loss of money in the sense that one pays for collagen and is not really taking advantage of collagen, but the amino acids that compose it, which are much cheaper separately, and I can also provide them in the diet. But there is no need to position ourselves for or against collagen supplements. This is not white or black. I only have to keep in mind, am I going to take a hydrolyzed collagen supplement? Very well. But I must know that what I am paying is not collagen, but mostly glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. The recommendation here is going to be clear. The best way to improve skin health and eliminate wrinkles is always going to be to increase my natural synthesis of collagen through some specific healthy habits and diet, which, in addition to providing me with these necessary amino acids to build collagen and look young on the outside, is going to also make it easier for me to stay young on the inside. Therefore, there are a series of substances and habits that are going to make my body generate more collagen naturally. First, we can consume the amino acids that I mentioned before, proline, glycine, and hydroxyproline, that we find in almost all legumes, but mainly in soy or pea, and that we can take directly in the diet as food or as supplements in their isolated forms. Secondly, we have vitamin C, and without vitamin C there is no collagen. Vitamin C is necessary among other things for the conversion of proline into hydroxyproline, which, as you will remember, is one of the 3 key components in the structure of collagen. In addition, vitamin C also acts as an antioxidant that protects collagen from damage caused by free radicals, which are reactive molecules that we generate and that cause the degradation of collagen and contribute to the aging of the skin and the formation of wrinkles. In third place, and probably the most important of all these measures to increase collagen, especially in joints, we have strength training. We can ingest all the pieces of the puzzle, but if my body doesn't know what to do with them, it will be of no use. And strength training tells the fibroblasts, which are the cells that generate collagen in the body, to build it in those areas that we are going to expose to mechanical stress. But none of these measures will be effective if our environment and our habits are bent on destroying our own collagen. Therefore, it is essential to avoid the enemies of collagen. These are habits and foods from my day-to-day that, without realizing it, ruin my collagen synthesis and make my skin age prematurely. Firstly, we have refined sugar present in most ultra-processed foods, some processed foods, and on our tables. Sugar destroys collagen through glycation, a process in which its products bind to collagen and accumulate in it, making it more rigid and worsening the flexibility of tissues such as skin, arteries, and joints. In addition, the regular consumption of sugar promotes chronic inflammation in my body, which in itself is also a great enemy of collagen synthesis. Secondly, we have tobacco. We have more than enough evidence to say that smoking leads to a decrease in collagen synthesis in the body. Not only that, but smoking also worsens the circulatory system, which means that there is a decrease in blood flow to the skin, affecting the arrival of nutrients and oxygen to this organ, which hinders its maintenance and repair. Thirdly, we have ultraviolet rays. When we sunbathe in peak hours, when it is near the zenith, ultraviolet rays penetrate deep layers of the skin and cause enzymes to appear that degrade collagen. This results in a decrease in the quantity and quality of collagen in the skin, leading to loss of elasticity and wrinkles. Fourthly, we have stress. Chronic and prolonged stress has negative effects on the production and quality of collagen. When we go through a time with a lot of stress, our body produces more cortisol, which in high levels interferes with collagen synthesis and damages its structure. Fifthly, we have sedentarism. When a person does not do regular physical activity, they suffer a decrease in the mechanical stimulus that we need for collagen synthesis. I must know that physical exercise, especially strength exercise, generates tensions and mechanical loads in my tissues, which makes my body, in an adaptive way, respond by sending signals to the fibroblasts to generate more collagen in those areas with more load. So if you are looking to have more collagen, it is essential to make sure to incorporate enough proteins and vitamin C in the diet, stimulate its synthesis with exercise, and avoid the enemies of collagen. And if you are not going to be able to follow all these strategies and wish to increase it through a supplement, then my recommendation is always going to be that you get pea or soy protein isolate, which in addition to being much cheaper, will provide you with the same in terms of increasing your collagen and will also go further, helping you in muscle building, metabolic functioning, and general health. Thank you very much for staying with me until the end. What do you think of these strategies to naturally increase collagen? Have you taken and does any collagen supplement work for you?